Friends, in SEO course video, today we are going to learn how we can perform an SEO audit for basically any website out there. Okay. Friends, if you want to become a person who does SEO, maybe even an SEO professional, then without doing the audit, if you start like this, then basically that's the biggest mistake. Because even if a website is new, then it is still important for us to do an SEO audit to check website's performance and website's technical aspects. All right, and all its content, we can also review all of that. If SEO is already being done on the website, or if it was built a while ago, okay, then within that. Okay, so since you're starting SEO on this now, what things might be outdated or what's lacking? But what if a website has had issues in it for a very long time? Then too, we'll have to look at many things like links and various other aspects. What's outdated and what's updated? What do we need to change and what not to change? So, this video which we will do on SEO audit is one of the most important videos in this course. Because every SEO professional must know how to conduct an SEO audit for any website. Okay friends, in this video today, I'm going to explain it to you both theoretically and practically. Theoretically, I will tell you what technical on-page and off-page aspects you need to know, and content elements you need to pay attention to. Make sure to write these points, take notes, and save this video. And along with that, I'll teach you which tool we can use to perform a full website SEO audit completely free of cost. Okay friends, let's move ahead now. Till then, like it, share it, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any video from this course, and also new skills and courses which we will bring. Make sure you don't miss those either. So friends, let's dive into this powerful video and learn with me. Now friends, what is a website SEO audit? What is it? I gave a rough idea, but let's understand it properly and in a better way. Now look, website SEO audit helps us to analyze our own website. Is it clear? Its performance and how it's currently performing and what its shortcomings are. Along with that, its SEO performance. You will also get to know that what do you need to do to improve in it, okay? And technically, all the technical aspects like website speed and many other things, configuration, off-page shortcomings, it lays out all those issues for you, saying that these are your website's problems. Fix them, it'll be SEO friendly and user friendly. All right, let's move on. So here, a website, a tagline. First of all, when you start an SEO audit, okay, the very first thing, the most important thing there is website indexing. And here you all have to check that whether the Google has all your site and all its various pages, all the pages that are basically within the website, have the Google search engine gone and indexed them. Friends, there's a very simple way for this. Site. You will see that there's a colon, and after this you just put your website's domain name, okay, and search for it on Google. This will tell you that if your website is indexed or not, and if its pages are indexed, then after. Checking website indexing is very important, because if Google or other search engine haven't indexed your website, okay, what's the point of going forward? Let's move on and understand. Technical SEO audit. Now for the technical SEO audit, let's understand what things are involved in a technical SEO audit. What do we need to keep in mind? Look, when you will audit your website, I'll teach you practically. Once this theoretical part is complete and you will understand it, after that I'll teach you how to do it. Okay, so here, when you're doing a technical SEO audit, what things should you keep in mind? The website's speed, loading speed, like when the user searches for the website, and then there it takes 30, 20, 15 seconds, and if it's taking way too long to load, then it's useless. Because when a web page will load, then it should take hardly 2 to 3 seconds, or maximum it could take 5 seconds to load it completely. You need to keep this in mind. In technical SEO, you will need to see if your website is mobile friendly, because we all know that over 90% of our users are here on the mobile. They check websites and everything on their phones. Is the user design responsive? Use responsive design. Responsive design means any screen. Whether it's mobile or it's tablet or it's computer or it's laptop or it's TV screen, it is our website adapting and changing its layout. Is it responsive to that screen or not? Plus, broken links. Are there any links that where a page isn't loading or an error will appear here? Along with that, HTTPS security. Is the website secure? Have you purchased and implemented HTTPS 8 security for your website? Have you ever implemented an XML sitemap and robot.txt? Okay, so for those specific pages you don't want indexed by Google or other search engine, is your robot.txt file being used correctly for them? So these kinds of main things are essential in technical SEO. Because if our website is technically fit, then which is the job of three types of people? The server team. So what kind of server have you got and what's its quality like? Secondly, the website designer, in which language or platform did they will design your website? And which developer has actually done the coding and in which language? If website designing, development and server, all three, if the server is good, do good designer, development, coding and paid attention to all protocols, then your technical SEO is excellent and you won't see these shortcomings. Because as SEO person, you can analyze and identify shortcomings in the SEO audit, but you can't fix them, right? You don't run the server, you're not developer. But if you don't even know that what are the technical flaws in it, then how will you be able to tell the designer, developer or server team exactly what to fix? So you don't face issues. You need knowledge about these three things, okay? Now let's move forward. Okay, now let's look at the on-page SEO here. Now on-page SEO basically means our website pages. The work we've done above, are there any shortcomings or is work done? When someone says my website needs SEO, so what work has he done on his website, on pages, etc. So here are the proper title tags and meta descriptions which are implemented in the pages or not. Okay, is it clear? And for the content on your page, do you have H1, H2 and H3 tags implemented there? Is keyword optimization done? Is there keyword stuffing? Are your internal and external links working correctly and are they properly placed? And along with that, we also need to check if any of your content is copied or duplicate. And along with that, is any of the content copied or is it duplicate content? So that your website's pages are made to be fully SEO optimized and also very SEO friendly. So that during SEO, you can get its results faster. Okay, clear? Let's move forward now towards off page here. Okay, now we've come to off page. Now friends, what's basically on off page? Broken link check. Okay, and check backlinks. Okay, so now what is broken link check? There is broken link check.com. I'll show this practically by putting in website. Now let's say if your website already has some backlinks you created earlier. Now among those backlinks, many of them, maybe some website shut down or someone removed your link or anything. You need to know if your website's links are working, or it's if not, you'll have to remove them. Because if these broken links remain on your website, they can negatively impact your overall SEO performance. Spam scores, ityadi. Then there are backlinks. There are so many websites like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Moz which are paid there on the times. Some also offer a little for free where you can check your websites. You can check your website's backlinks and also check your competitors' backlinks. This helps with competition, like okay, they've built these backlinks on those websites. You too can try. What is doing it yourself? Doing all the hard work, getting links approved, that's one thing. But if we can find our competitors' backlinks, then we can directly target those websites. We can create backlinks there because they provide them. That's why competitors built them. So this also makes our work easier and faster. This makes our work faster. Okay friends, let's move ahead. Now we'll come to content audit, as this is very important. Look, is our content basically low quality or perhaps liking, or of low quality? I mean, nowadays content is the name of the game. Only with quality content. Okay, the quantity of content that should also be there, and ideally at least 1.5 to 2.5 or 3,000 words on a page. And the content shouldn't be copied, it should be unique. It should be evergreen content. It should be relevant. Keyword stuffing shouldn't be excessive. So we need to check all these things in a content audit. So I have broadly told you about these things. Now when we practically show you an SEO audit of a website, then there all of these things are actually checked. If there are shortcomings, you must tell your, so then you need to tell your content writer, designer, developer and server team, okay? And within on page, shortcomings you can fix yourself, you have to fix. Within off page, shortcomings in backlinks, you have to fix those. So the team works together on all these things. So the website So I'm not saying it will end up being 100% SEO friendly and totally optimized, but the more you can do here, the better it is for all of us. Okay friends, now let's practically audit a website and see what will happen. So let's understand both practically. First, before we will do the SEO audit, let's understand the broken links. The other website is brokenlinkcheck.com, which I told you about. When you go to this website, paste the URL of the website which you are doing SEO for here. Okay, and then you have to copy and paste it. And then you have to enter the security code and then submit it. Then you can look within this website. All the broken links will appear. Okay, they will come out. These are the ones which were created earlier and are no longer working. Okay, so when this error appears like this, it is really not good for your website because this increases spam score and lowers website rating. Okay, so these need to be either removed or possibly made active. Alright, keep one thing in mind. Now we'll go to the website for the SEO audit. Alright friends, let's now move forward, and here you can see this tool, SEO Optimizer.com, and this is the website we'll use to audit our site right here because it's a complete reporting tool. And friends, this is free. And friends, this is free because you can get a lot of insights from it completely free of cost. Otherwise, there are many sites for SEO audit like SEMrush, Ahrefs, but they are a bit expensive. And with those more expensive tools, you won't get many free results. Or if other websites offer it, they don't provide as many transparent and better results as this website is currently providing. So my purpose is that since you are learning, you won't be spending money on tools right now. And you shouldn't either. So for that, even if you are a businessman, this website is better. If you want, you can buy its pro version later if it suits you. Now I will put my website here. Okay, and I will run it for audit. Alright, now audit my website. Now it will start auditing my website. Okay, it takes a little time to audit. And it will tell you everything. So it will take a little time. See, it's showing here how much percent is complete. When 100% complete, I'll show you slowly. It's a simple concept, friends. Go to the site, copy the URL, paste it, and you have to submit it, and your audit program will begin from here. Okay, just like the audit is 100% complete now. Then here, will it show your site? It will tell you how your page can be improved, and it will give you recommendations showing you by what percentage things are actually better. It gives a grade for links, usability, performance, social, as we go. Okay, here you can improve your website, and then if you look in the recommendations section, you will be able to see things like when we click on usability here, we'll click on usability. So what are the issues related to usability? Okay, it will tell you the problem. When we go to performance, it will tell about website performance aspects. What is the issue? What isn't? It will show you everything here. Like social. Okay, after that on page SEO, links and others, it will show you all these data insights. Now let's scroll down and okay, now on page SEO results. Okay, these results are correct. Title and meta tags are correct. It says on page SEO is done well. Let's move on. It's telling about meta text, giving an SERP preview. Here the site looks like this in SERP. Let's move on. Okay, so you're seeing all this data and it tell you about header tags. It's telling about keyword consistency. Here you can see individual keywords. Okay, for which keywords, title, meta title, description, it's telling everything. Shortcomings, it will tell what's done well. It will tell amount of content. Okay, so the approximate word count is your page has good textual content for SS ranking. Okay, so here it tells us the word count is around 800 words. Okay, but this is an old site. Now I'm telling you, if you're building a website, if your content is good, add good quality content, 2 to 2,500 words on your page. That gets much better priority in search engine. Okay, images, alt tags, canonical tags, it will tell you about canonical tags. Look, every piece of data, the maximum insights as much as possible and output it can provide, it will check and tell you. So look, we'll keep scrolling. You'll keep getting all this data. Okay, it will tell you about ranking. Okay, it will also tell you country-wise rankings and total searches in which country and also how many there are for each keyword. So in this way only total traffic, keywords, position. It will tell you basically every single thing, and you know all this data is totally free of cost, not a penny spent. Totally free, not a single penny paid. Okay. You too can audit your website, your client's website like this. So here it's showing no follow links, do follow links. Okay, all these things. It will show top backlinks. Okay, where are backlinks built? It shows backlinks and everything. So this is how it is, friends. So look at the whole thing. Here, improvement is needed here because for a long time on this website, actually nothing has really been done, but when it was done well. So in this time, many updates have come. You have to fix and update a lot of new content, and you also have to do a lot of things on the website. So each and every website daily needs something new. From time to time, there should be changes, improvements, and new content added. And blogs etc should be posted. Okay, on page should be updated. So this way you have to audit your entire website, also create its report, and you can extract it for your website. Okay, now here you can see the device. It's showing the whole thing, showing usability. Okay, it will look like this on tablet, like this. How much on mobile? So here, okay, this is showing us the mobile display right now. The score that is coming up here, that's currently low, and ideally this score should be in the 70s or 80s. So friends, this way you too can conduct a complete audit of your website, download the full report, show it to your client, or review it for your own business and website. It's that simple to do an SEO audit, made out to be very typical. And if in future you feel you need more insights, want to go in depth, you can also get the paid version. It's very economical. But as long as you are learning, then use the free one because not many websites provide this data free. So for a website, if you do an SEO audit, what things do you need to keep in mind? How you can check broken links free of cost and conduct a full website audit free of cost. I hope you've understood this well. And not just by listening, you should actually try this, practice it. When you do it for 2 or 3 websites, check, then you'll understand. Otherwise, we are teaching this course. And you'll learn on page SEO practically and off page SEO practically. Okay. You will learn everything at a practical level. So I hope you are liking the course and like this video. Thank you.